Timecode is a time marker used to synchronize audio and video. This video shows how to use it. First, link the transmitter and receiver. Go to Control menu on receiver and enable timecode. When the receiver is working as the timecode generator, master run is displayed on the receiver screen. All transmitters linked to the receiver will automatically synchronize to its timecode. Set the receiver to the same frame rate as all recording devices. Check timecode compatibility of cameras or audio recorders and choose corresponding output type. For cameras/audio recorders with timecode capability, configure the output type as LOUT. Connect the receiver's timecode output port to the timecode input port of the camera or audio recorder using the 3.5 mm cable to synchronize the timecode. For cameras/audio recorders without timecode capability, set output to AOUT. Then, connect the receiver to the camera or audio recorder using either a 3.5 mm audio cable or USB-C cable, depending on the device you used. After recording, sync timecode tracks in your editing software. When receiver acquires timecode from external generator, connect receiver to external timecode generator and set output type to LN. Then, tap Sync on the screen of the receiver to synchronize the timecode.